Okay, so the model is somewhat trained. Let's anything that I say that is not on this list is gonna be other. All right, so here we go. How are you?
How are you?
Yes.
You.
Now notice it didn't sound right. Here is the HTML for those buttons. And notice that this is what we're going to see, the black text, but this is what the speech is going to say. And if you saw my previous video, you know that we have to add a period. So let's try that and see if it works. And let's reload. So we're going to reload. Wait for it to, oh, I shouldn't be talking. I'm going to have to calibrate again. Sorry. All right, so let's try a yes. Yes.
Off.
Oh, brother. It has only 39 samples, so all right. This is a test. No, that's not good. This is a test.
This is a test.
Okay. How are you?
Yes.
Now notice it got the wrong answer, but it said a complete yes this time. Maybe.
Maybe.
Notice that maybe is wrong. I said it's other.
This work.
Oh, it's just noise.
I see you.
It's just noise.
Yes.
No.
Maybe.
No.
Maybe.
Okay, no got a little darker there. No.
N.
There we go. But it said N. So we come here to the no and we add a period. And we actually add a period to all of them. This is a test. And for other, we could leave it as other, but you know what? We can also put I don't, you know what? I don't want to do the hyphen right. I do not know. All right, first of all, let's get a I do not know.
I am fine.
Oh, that should have been I do not know.
No. 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 No.
I don't know.
I do not know.
There we go. 53%. See, that's noise there. The
I
AC
do not
just,
know.
that's right. The AC just kicked in.
I do not know.
Yeah. So the problem is that I don't want to keep calibrating, but the model is super simple. There's no hidden layer. It's just the perceptrons and like 130 something inputs. I don't even remember what the inputs were. And so there's two levels because there's when the AC is not running and when the AC is running. So I wanted to be able to handle both. Yes.
Yes.
Yes is very hard to get, by the way.
I do not know.
That is correct. I am fine.
I am fine.
I see you.
I am fine.
I see you.
I see you.
Anyway, so we are up to four files. We have the, front facing main file that we started with. We have the neural network model file that we created. The very recent one, the text to speech. And this one, I was able to factor out some functions from here into here, microphone and speech functions, and I'll make that all available. So the next goal, now that we can have it talk back, is maybe I can have two models running. One is for the usual words that you've seen, but another one is just for yes and no. So that instead of me speaking and having to hit the freeze button so that it will predict, it will just predict on its own and ask me, basically say the word, and I say yes or no. And if I can train it to accurately enough respond to yes or no, then that means yes or no means you hit it correctly, right? And if it's yes, then it clicks the correct label button, all of it on its own. And if it's no, it should stop and wait for me to click the button.